Now Control Shift Alt, drag it down. Command D to repeat. Okay, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, just delete this one. Go with the control, make a line. Okay, same. Shift Alt, drag it down, release it. Command D to repeat. Okay, this is done. Now let's take a text tool. Write 1. Okay, scroll it 1. Alt Shift release. Command D, change it. 4. 9. Okay, once this is done, Command G, select this, drag it down, Shift Alt at the center, reduce the opacity. Okay, and okay with the dash line. Okay, now let's name it. Take a text tool, head, Alt drag down, shoulder, Alt drag down, waist, Alt drag down, hips. Okay, we will have one more. Alt and Shift around almost 1/4 inch. Okay, A, Alt, right, crotch, Alt down, mid-thigh, 6th, Alt, knees, calf, Alt, Shift, ankle. Okay, this is done. Shift, release. Take a circle from the side, place it at the center of the line, on top of the first line. Take one more circle for the shoulders and for the body. Let's place the another shoulder on the other side, align them well. Drag one more down at the waist, and then take again 2 circle and drag it down in between hips crotch line. Okay, yeah. Now let's make the outline of basic croquis. Okay, take a pen tool. Let's make a line first and then we will curve it. Okay, later on we will see. So neck, the circle that we have dragged down is approximate measurement for our shoulder, waist, and hips. This is for our hips curve. Second, on the 6 point, knees, 7, 8 in between, it's up and then your leg. Okay, it's a knee point. Then come again at the top near the crotch area, mark a line, mark a knot and a line, and then drag that line up to the top neck point and then close it. Okay. Yes, that's right. Now let's see when I'm selecting the tool, select tool, so I'm unable to see the knots. Okay, so this is because the selection is off. So you can use Control H or Command H, depends upon your PC. So now after applying Control H, I'm able to see the knot points. Okay, see. So these are the knot points and I'll be curving them as per my requirement. So neck, shoulder, as you go down, there is a waist. I'll just drag inside and outside, depends upon the curve I want. Same goes with hips, knees. Yeah, that's right. It takes time sometimes. Now the calf, the back, we will curve it as per our requirement. Again, now I think so we have missed a point at knee. So what I'll do, I'll take a plus sign, I'll click on that and I'll add a knot at the knee. With that, I'll adjust the placement and then I'll adjust the cuff area and the ankle as well as I see we have made a mistake. Okay, the ankle is at the point 9 and now we are the knots are at the bottom of that. It is at 9.5. So what we'll do, we'll select those 2 points and drag it upward with selection tool. Okay, once this is done, we will reflect the body. So transform, then select reflect and okay, place it on the other side. Okay, with the alignment tool we will align. So do the selections of both the part. Okay, and then see the alignment if it is okay or not. Once the alignment is okay, you can merge it or unite it. Now let's select the Croqui and press Command 3 or Control 3. Hide the Croqui. Select the circles and reduce the opacity. Command Alt 3. The Croqui will be back. Okay. Once now let's make a hand. Oh, the waistline is equal to our elbow line. We'll make a remaining part of our other half hand. Okay. The fingers, the thumbs will adjust accordingly as needed, and we'll draw points with the pen tool. And at the point of 3, we'll add the underarms. Okay. And that is now as you see the knots are haywire. So we will fix it. We will fix the knots as per our requirement. We'll see the stroke lines. Is now let's turn the edges into a curve line. This is what I feel that is easy instead of drawing. So we prefer doing this by just adjusting the curves and the points, the knots. Okay, this is the easiest way you can do. You can make your own Croqui as you need, as per your style. Always you can refer the internet for the Croqui style you want. I'm doing freelancing as of now, so it's a very random design. Okay, let's adjust the knots as per our hands, and then let's adjust other parts of the hands as well as with this. Yeah. So now select the hand. We'll do the same thing, transfer and reflect. We'll place that on the other side of the body. Look at the alignments. If the alignment is not okay, either you can do it from the alignment panel or you can do it manually and then again see if the alignment is okay and it's properly aligned. Once you are thorough with your Croqui, just select your all body parts. That is hand, two hands, one body. Select it, group it, and copy paste it on the another new artboard. Your Croqui is done. Okay, you can also align this Croqui with the centering. The Croqui is ready. Let's make print 2. Okay, we'll go with the star shape this time. Effect, dissolve transform. Flucker, we will get a cute. Wait, let's take this flower shape. Let's expand it. Expand appearance. We got this. Let's go for circle at the center. Shift. Okay, and place it as per your style. Yellow. I will color this green or let's see. Okay, orange. Okay, A and select, change the color you want. Again, shift alt. This A, take a shortcut and change the color. Make sure it is the same parity. Again, let's shift alt A. A for this is the shortcut. Direct selection. A is a shortcut. Okay, and now let's take another color. Let's go with pink. Okay, this is done on the side. Let's take some beige color. Make a box. At the property 7.5. This has to be 5. Let's close the attachment and 1.5. Okay, this is done. I don't think I want some other color. Let's change it to something else. Let's see. Let me please. Command X, Command E, which means at the back. Let's place them. This time I'll do different kind of size of the flower. Okay. Let's rotate it and adjust. Okay. This is too big. Let's rotate it again. This is done. 6 inch by 6 inch. Okay. So now we know that is 6 inch. Transform, move, 6, 0, copy. Okay. Shift and then adjust, or else it will go like this. Here, so it's better we shift. Let's adjust this print as well as. Okay, let's rotate it. Make it a little short, small. Okay. Let's make one more. Shift and release. We'll add another color here. Let's see. Either you can isolate it by double clicking it. Okay. A tool, that's direct selection. Let's go for dark green. Okay. And now let's mirror this. Move 0. We need to place it down. 6 again and copy. Okay. Let's adjust this. Isolate again. B. We'll go with white. Okay. Let's look at this. Make it a little short. Adjust it. Okay. This is done. Now let's make a clipping mask or a sandwich mask. Okay. Control F. swatches. Okay, let me take it down. Swatches, none, none, this, none, and command P, none, and none. Now let's make it clipping mask. B, and swatch. Okay, make a box, fill it, and here is. Do you see? It's not aligned properly. So we will make it again. Release clipping mask. Alt 3, command 3, it will hide. Command Y, let's delete this part. Okay, Alt command 3, command Y. Okay, now let's check the alignment. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Transform, move, vertical, this will be 0, this will be 6, and copy. Oh my god. Reduced by 2.5. Oh yeah, remember. We have reduced it by 2.5. Okay. Transform, move, 0, we are placing it down, it's 2.5, and copy. Let's rearrange them. Let's not overlap it. Same, transform, move, 2.5, 0, copy. Shift and adjust. Let's delete this. Shift and adjust. Command CV. Shift and adjust. Okay, this is done. Almost done. Let's do clipping mask. Command. This is command C. Command F. Blank. Command B. Blank. This is we are doing sandwich clipping mask. Okay. Yo, let's check again. Perfect. Do you see here? This. Okay. Let's release. Let's make this one small, so we don't need to readjust everything. This transform, move, 0, we will need 2.5 as we need to move it vertical, copy. Okay, clipping mask, B, let's check again. Perfect. See, now it's perfect. Okay, this is how we can do adjustments. Let's center this. Okay, let's drag this. Command C, over here, Command F, shift and grab it down, shift and grab it down. Again, let's check the alignment. Center.